Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come on today to talk about self-care. And I know a lot of us have a tendency to take care of others instead of necessarily taking care of ourselves. Some of us don't have that issue, but I am one of the ones that has an issue with self-care. So I wanted to come on and do a budget-friendly evening pamper for you guys, just to kind of show you what I do when I am pampering myself, and I want to make sure that it was budget friendly. Why is self-care so important is because self-care aids in promoting a healthy relationship with yourself to the benefit of your physical, mental, and emotional health. So it's not just all about pampering ourselves physically. You know, there's some mental and emotional work that needs to go on also. Incorporating time in your schedule to pamper yourself is only part of a needed self-care routine. If you can't care for yourself, it's almost impossible to care for others. And it also puts even bigger strain on us if we're not doing self-care. So I have a quote that one of my closest friends started telling me. So what he said is, you can't pour from an empty cup. And that is 100% true. And when he first said it, I was like, you can't pour from an empty cup. And I was like, oh, right, you can't pour from an empty cup. And what he was telling me was, at that point in my life, I was so busy doing for others that my cup was empty. And I just really didn't have anything else left to give. I want to go over what my self-care is. So my self-care can vary. It can be really quick and simple, something as far as just taking a long shower and listening to like a favorite playlist or just a favorite song. Or I can do a full-out pamper. And my full-out pampers consist of a bath bomb, waxing, a sugar scrub, face, hand, and foot mask, and moisturizing with body butters. I know that the full-out body pamper seems like a lot, but once you're done with it, I mean, it's just like, it's almost like a new you. It just revitalizes you and it makes you feel so much better. And usually a lot of time after I've done a full-on pamper, I'm ready to go to bed. You know, maybe watch like an episode of one of my shows or, you know, read a little bit, but after that, I'm usually just ready to go to bed. So what we're gonna do today is a full-on pamper. I'm gonna kind of show you what products that I'm using, then just kind of show you what I'm gonna do for the evening. So I'll tell you a few of the products that I'm using first. I did do a Target haul not long ago, so some of these are on the Target haul, but so I'll tell you all the products that I'm using. So I'm gonna do a lip wax, have a bath, and put my bath bomb in. I also have a candle, and I didn't get this from Target, but I did get it from, I want to say TJ Maxx. It's a DW candle. I really love this scent. It's in lava. And then I'm gonna do a Tree Hunt Tahitian Vanilla Bean Shea Sugar Scrub. After that, then I'm gonna do a Tree Hunt Vitamin C Whipped Shea Butter as far as my moisturizing. Then I'm just gonna put on some lounge clothes, turn on a little bit of music. Well, I have my music already on. And then I'm gonna do the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Face Mask. I'm gonna do Thirsty Feet Mask, the Nails Incorporated Thirsty Feet Mask, and then I'm gonna do the Nails Incorporated Thirsty Hands. And I'm just gonna sit back, relax in my lounge clothes, and just enjoy that 20 minutes, you know? So let's get started, guys. Lip wax first. I don't like to do, but we're gonna do it. Okay, come on, guys. This is the candle, guys, that I was telling you about. other side. With these wax, they say that you don't have to warm them up. Youch. They already come I'm like right up on the camera. Sorry, the camera's like on my sink. But yeah, you don't have to warm them up. They're already ready to go. I know I had mentioned to you guys before, you really can't see, but there was some hair there. You really can't see the hair too much. So now I'm going to use the one post cloth. Post wax cloth, that's what it was called. And I do have reactions to different types of wax, so this is my first time using this one. And then it says, once you use the post wax, then you go ahead and you use the calming serum. And here's the calming serum. And it's got like a little ball. This is a little still wet. I'm gonna go ahead and as soon as it dries, rub it on. Cause I am a little irritated. Oh, they said don't touch it. I forgot, because you can have bacteria on your hands. Even though I washed my hands before I started, you can have bacteria on your hands and it can cause inflammation. So go ahead and do the wax. I mean the calming serum. Oh gosh, that feels really good. Because I do see, I was looking in my mirror, sorry guys, I do see that I was starting to get a little irritated. And most of the time, the calming serums that I get, they're cool, but it's just so much in the pack, it doesn't even go through all of the wax strips. So now I'm gonna go ahead and run my bath and put in my bath bomb. So my bath bomb is the smoothie bomb. It's in kiwi and strawberry. This is it. Okay guys, I am back. That was so relaxing. I want to show you guys me using the Tree Hunt Tahitian Vanilla Bean Shea Sugar Scrub. But my camera was kind of falling all over the place and I was afraid that it was gonna fall off my tripod. I have a mini tripod and like fall into the water. So I opted not to do it, but it was really nice. It's not like a really abrasive scrub, but it was really nice. This is what it looks like. But I enjoyed using it. And then the second thing was Tree Hunt Vitamin C with Shea Body Butter. And, sorry about that. This is it. And oh my gosh, this is really, really nice. It's a really nice consistency. I'll show you guys. It's really thick, but it's not, it's not like really thick like actual shea butter, but it was really nice. I really liked it. The scent is light. It's kind of citrusy, but I didn't mind it. I really did like it. Put a little bit more on. So with the mask, with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Mask, I was gonna go ahead and use it. The thing is that I've used this before and I really do love it. I just kind of ran into a snag. I had planned to, my camera is like shaking. Sorry about that, guys. I had planned to wax yesterday just in case I had any type of reaction and then do my mask today for the video. I don't normally wax and then do the mask at the same time. I'm sure people do, but my skin tends to be like really sensitive and I'm having just a teeny bit of a reaction. Like right here, it's not really bad or anything, but I'm not gonna do the hydro gel mask today, but this is it. And again, I usually do it and it's great. But am gonna go ahead, I'm reaching for it. I am gonna go ahead and do the thirsty feet and then the thirsty hands, and I'll come back and show you guys both. Okay guys, so I am back and I'm gonna show you, this is what the thirsty feet look like. They're like little booties. I wonder if you can see these. They're like little booties. And you just like tear them apart because they're joined together. And then you just put your feet in. It's like really cold at first. Well, not cold, but it's like really cool at first. Here it is in the back. So you just wrap it around like that and then stick it. There's a little sticky right there, and just leave it on your feet. So I'll go ahead and show you the other one. That's one. My camera's like at a bad angle. I need a helper. I really do. Put the other one on. And then there's your little tag that you, which way is it? This way. And then you just stick it around, like right there. You're just sleeping on your feet. So now I'll go ahead and show you guys the thirsty hands. So this is the thirsty hands. I move that up a little bit. That's the thirsty hands. And it's kind of the same concept. They're little gloves. You just peel them apart right here. You just put them on your hands. And then a little tab. Take a little tab off. There's a little sticky. And then you just wrap it around and stick it so it kind of stays closed. You just do the other one the same way. I probably should have tore the sticky off first. Here's a little sticky. And then stick your hands in. And then you just stick it around. And then this is the hands. So I'm gonna leave this on for about 20 minutes. And then I'll be back. All right, guys. Hi, guys. I am back after 20 minutes. So I let the gloves stay on for 20 minutes, and then I also let the little booty stay on my feet. So I'm just gonna show you the glove part. You can just slide them right off. And this is what my hands are looking like. And then with the rest of the moisturizer, you can just like massage it in your hands. And it feels really good and moisturizing. And it does the same thing, you know, as far as the thirsty feet one also. Let the moisture kind of absorb into my hands. There's still more in the gloves, but I don't use the gloves more than one time. So then that's it. My Pamper evening was just wonderful. I really enjoyed it. I am so relaxed. It was a really great Pamper evening. And I hope that you guys are able to do the same thing. I'm just rubbing a little bit on my elbows. I hope that you guys are able to do the same thing. It's really worth it. And again, this is just like one part of self-care, because, you know, there's other parts of self-care that also need to be implemented in either your day or your week, or, you know, just as a routine. So guys, subscribe to see more beauty, hair, and lifestyle videos every Tuesday, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And in the comment section below, guys, let me know what you do as far as self-care is concerned. Stay healthy and happy, and don't forget to keep pursuing your goals, plans, and dreams. You got this. Bye, guys.